Meet the Infinix Zero 5G. A standout feature is its impressive 50 megapixel front camera, capable of capturing videos in 4K 60 frames per second. And complementing this is the MediaTek 8020 chipset, known for its high benchmark scores and impressive AI picture quality. But how does the device fare when put to the test? Let's take it for a spin and find out. Unboxing Infinix devices is always exciting because you're always in for a surprise. Among the usual essential is the super 68-watt charger and naturally the device itself that steals the show. It looks sleek and premium. For the design, the Zero 5G is both good looking and practical. This device is not too heavy, it's just 195 grams and it's very comfortable in the hands because of its curved edges. The screen takes up almost the whole front, so when you're looking at it, you get lost in pictures and videos. For the display, you get a 6.78 Full HD AMOLED with a 144Hz refresh rate, making everything more smooth like your social media and gaming. The color of the screen is super bright and looks just as it should because it peaks at 950 nits. Even when you're outdoor on a sunny day, you still see everything clearly on this screen. The Zero 5G is powered by the MediaTek 8020 processor. This octa-core processor handles multitasking with finesse. Whether you're breezing through productivity apps or engaging in graphics-intense gaming, this processor maintains fast and responsiveness. Backing up this processing is the 12 gig physical RAM. This abundant memory ensures that the most demanding apps are handled without breaking a sweat. And 9 gig of virtual RAM, which if you ask me, 12 gig is more than enough. Gamers will sure be pleased with the Zero 5G because it boosts an Antutu score of 648,945, which is a very high score for a device of this price. Competition like Samsung and Oppo don't have these numbers. Gaming is smooth on this chipset. The device handles crowd favorite like Call of Duty, Asphalt, and PUBG with ease. You get both an immersive and lag-free experience, but the device heats up a little. You can play HDR graphics setting and ultra frame rate on PUBG. For Call of Duty, you can play very high graphics and max frame rates. The 9X Mali G77 GPU makes sure graphics are rendered smoothly and the game experience is heightened. Charging the Infinix Zero 5G is a breeze, thanks to its remarkable 68-watt charger. It takes 51 minutes to charge from 0 to 100, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum usage. And there's minimal heating when charging this device. For the speakers, whether you're watching your favorite movie, gaming, or simply enjoying your playlist, the Infinix Zero 5G dual stereo speaker delivers. It's not the best I've heard, but it's good enough. For the battery, the Zero 5G is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, which can keep running for a long time. You can expect this device to last a full day of regular use without needing to recharge, both for heavy and light users. The battery should hold up quite well. The fast charging I mentioned earlier that charges from 0 to 100 in 51 minutes pairs perfectly with the 5000 mAh battery. The camera on the Zero 5G is really amazing. I won't lie, when I first got this device, I didn't think it would be this good. It has a special camera on the front with a huge 50 megapixel sensor. You can shoot videos with the front camera in 4K quality. This is something you usually find in high-end phones. This will make your vlogs and videos look super professional. You also get a 108 megapixel ultra clear camera. This main camera takes amazing photos and videos with good color accuracy and details. Not the best, but good enough, and I would dare say better than the competition. Pictures, videos are not blurry or pixelated even when you zoom. The details remain sharp and vivid. Even when it's dark, the camera is still good. It has a front flash that brightens up your face when you're making videos in low light, so your video doesn't look all dark and blurry. For selfies, if you are in a well-lit environment, the camera delivers clear and vibrant selfies. The combination of the high megapixel and software ensures that your selfies look sharp and vibrant. I think Infinix integrated AI to their camera software. For portrait, you also get a beautiful background, making you stand out and giving you professional photos with good bokeh effect. For the operating system, the Zero 5G runs on XOS 13.1, which is built on Android 13. The XOS 13.1 works well and gives you a good experience. One of its important features is Folax. It uses the older version of ChatGPT to talk to you. It mostly knows things from 2021, but if it doesn't know something, it looks up new information from the internet. It can carry out basic tasks like reminders, alarm, and even play music for you from Boomplay. For the pros and cons, the first, the 50 megapixel vlog camera shoots 4K at 60 frames per second. You hardly find this on mid-range devices. The second is the 6.78 AMOLED screen with a 144Hz refresh rate. Believe me, this is amazing for this price point. Once again, kudos to Infinix. 65-watt charger, 12 gig of RAM, 9 gig virtual RAM. That's a lot. Dimensity 80 chipset with good Antutu score and AI picture quality. It's really great. Now for the cons. Every good thing has its bad sides. First, no Gorilla Glass protection, which means your car key or any object can actually scratch this device. It heats up a little when you're charging or gaming, but then again, it's nothing alarming, and almost every device heats up. And my conclusion, is this device value for your money? I would say yes. Chipset, camera, good design, and display. I think Infinix put a lot of thought into this, and if I rate it over 10, I'll rate it an 8. So like, share, and subscribe. And drop a comment below. Tell me what you think about this device and my review. And until next time, I'll see you in the next review.